And we just load up on as many as we can. Look at that, go. Go, get in there. Get in there. Filter, I'm a big fan of these. That's all we need right there. Taylor. What is going on, Cuffaros? Welcome back to another video. Today, we're at the farm. I got a couple things to catch you up on right now. Let's start off with the fact that we just had one of my buddies, Lewis, come over with 2 koi fish that got too big for his friend's pond. I know, I gotta feed all of you. I know. There they are. It is a day later, and as you can see, they're doing absolutely fantastic. There's our frontosa. Soft shells down there. Still chooses to kind of bury himself in the rock sometimes, although he has a bunch of sand. I see him in the sand all the time. This is the coolest thing in my backyard. It has to be. Other than, of course, Lulu, Mama Pig over there. Wow, I got a new lens on the camera, boys and girls. And it is just a game changer, Mike. It's so smooth. The weather has been nasty. It's been raining so much, and the animals. Kevin, what up, Kev? I was goofing around out here. I had the GoPro, and I was catching, like, baits. And you know me. Whatever I film, I don't like to waste whatsoever. So let's enjoy catching some bait out of the pond and feeding the fish right now. It's a big turtle right there. And we got an egg right here. Big egg. She's been sitting on about, I mean, I'm not kidding, like 17 eggs right there. That's good enough. Too big. No, you're a prime one. Perfect. Too big. Good. These are the best size right here. And we just load up on as many as we can. This is what I made this pond for and stocked it with tilapia for. So I didn't have to go to Walmart and spend $20 for a 5-pound bag. I take a cast net a couple times and I'm good. Load it up, baby. Right out of my hand. Watch how fast the largemouth eats this, ready? Bunch of baby minnows, and not only that, that sucker got big. Okay, now that we're back from that, I also went to Tulum, Mexico. That was a super fun trip, although I got food poisoning like 2 days in, and I sat in my hotel room for the last 2 days. That was not fun, but I did get some really cool footage of like going in the caves in Tulum. It was super cool stuff, and I saw some really cool fish. I wanted to put that in the video as well. Guinea hens, crazy. All right, a little bit of PC lanyard action, huh? Believe it or not, we're still selling PC signed Pokemon packs. I mean, I had a lot on the site. That's about the only thing left on the site. They're still selling. Patrick, Kristen, Maverick, Brock. Those 4 are gonna go out today. If you guys wanna get some PC packs yourself and a couple other things that are on the site, top link in the description. This stuff is so cool. All right, so I just pulled up. What are you doing out? She pulled herself out of the fence again. Look at that, go. Go, get in there. Get in there. These pigs know, they're so trained. I mean, she's out and she's just sitting along her fence line. I pick up the fence, she goes right back in. No, bad girl. Pigs are very smart and they love to get out. Hence why I have a fence under a fence. This fence goes into the ground, but sometimes the zip ties come off right here and then they bend this down and then push through because this is like super loose. I gotta get this rock and put it where she just made that hole. Pretty much just like that. And now she shouldn't be able to push her way out. Although, I'm not worried about any of these pigs really running away. They've all learned their lesson many times. When I first moved in and the fence wasn't structured the correct way, we always had pigs getting in and out. But now, the only issue is Lady May. She likes to just nudge her way out. All right, let's head out to the fish store. We need to get a filter, substrate, a couple of other things. We're making a tank for my girlfriend. She's at work right now. When she gets back, we're gonna surprise her with it. She's been asking me non-stop, and when I mean non-stop, I mean non-stop about this fish tank. When can I get my goldfish fish tank? When can I get my goldfish fish tank? So I thought the perfect thing was to use that other extra fish tank to make my girlfriend happy. I mean, it doesn't get much better than that, huh? You know, you got a wife, happy life. This is like the same thing, you know, happy girlfriend, happy life. This is a big pet store. Oh, look at all these tanks. All right. Oh my gosh, no way. Look what they have now. They never had, oh, this is dope. What? They never ever had that before. What in the heck? Look at this. Turtle tank right here, and then there's a basking kit that you connect to it, and it goes up and the turtle can go up in there and bask. Dude, that's really cool. Wow, I haven't been to this pet store in so long. They have so much more new stuff. Okay, filter. I'm a big fan of these, so this is what we're gonna do. How much is a filter like this? Oh, wow. 55 bucks. All right, so we got the filter. I probably should have grabbed a cart. Cart would have probably came in handy. I'm gonna go get a cart. I'll be back. Hopefully no one steals you. Hey, you're still there. Great to see you. What else? Substrate, right over here. That's the African cichlid tank I got. I feel like we should get something really cool for the inside of this tank as well, like something like this. That'd be sick. Oh, they have ick. Gosh darn it. These pet stores never take care of the fish, and that's one of the worst reasons to even get fish from here. So I guess I'm not gonna get a fish because these have ick. If you look on its tail, you see the little white dots. Now, although it's not exactly the hardest thing to cure, sometimes it can be, but I don't want to introduce that to the tank. Just buying fish from pet stores like this, these corporate companies, it's not always the smartest. So no fish, but we're still gonna surprise her with the tank itself. I think she's more of a fan of just plants, you know, not like the whole fake structure thing. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna get a bunch of plants. There's like combos right here. They have a goldfish on it. I like this, it's more realistic looking. This comes with 3 different things of plants that we can put in the tank. That's all we need right there. I need a big bag of substrate though. Where the heck is the substrate? Oh, duh. Right in front of me. I almost went and bought a bunch of little, look at this. I feel like white gravel would look really good with goldfish since it's orange. Maybe we'll get white gravel. We can also get like a really cool fish for this tank later on from Predatory. Maybe get like a pleco or something cool to go along with the goldfish, or get a goldfish. We could do another video surprising her with another goldfish. Listen, there's endless content here. This is what I like to see. We got substrate. Substrate, plants, filter. I have water. I got a fish. That's all we need. I kind of want to get something like this though. I think that'd be cool. A little touch for the tank. Why not? Golly, man. I don't mean to seem cheap, but 15 bucks? That must cost them like $1. Come on. All right. We're good to go. Good to go. Filter. Cool rocks. Substrate. See you at home. All right, so I brought all this stuff inside. Yeah, it was hard, but I got it all in here. Taylor's about to be home. We're gonna surprise her with what I got. Then the tank built. Let's do it. Taylor, come here, Tay. She looked right at the tank. No, I didn't do it, but look.
Thanks, babe.
Look how dirty my hands are. I've been working outside.
For so long.
Huh?
I've been wanting to put him in there for so long.
I know, he's been in this little tank. Hey, bud? Ready to go into your big old home. I gotta do some scrubbing. Well, I haven't done the tank. It's a couple hours later. I've been working outside. As you can see, my hands are real dirty. Taylor's home. Hey, Tay.
Hi.
I'm gonna set this tank up in just a little bit, and then I'm not even gonna let her see it done. We're gonna show her it done, and then we'll surprise her with it completely done. She doesn't know. Hey. She doesn't know that we're probably gonna get something for it. Maybe not this video, but soon. Hey, I see you peeking. She can look through the tank while I'm doing it, so I gotta make sure she's not home. I'll catch up to you when she's gone. Time to feed. Hello everyone. Before we get back inside and get to the tank, gotta feed all the animals. I also wanted to give a personal shout out to my friends, Chad and Amanda, for hooking it up with this super cool thing of succulents. I mean, look how cool that is. Dope stuff. If you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, sea of succulents. Ah! It is nice and windy out. There they all go. Oh, Kevin. Dude, the sound is crazy. I've never actually came this close while they were eating. Yeet. Look how big the ducklings are. Hey, little ones. These are the ducklings. Look at them, they eat with the pigs and they kind of just like walk around. You got the guineas right here. Surprisingly, leaving this gray one in the cage for the 2 weeks actually is working somewhat. He already went back over and my neighbor brought him back, but little guineas. Now while the goats eat, I want to show you guys, we got a slide for them. Now this is part of like my next video. Yeah, my friend actually found this on the side of the road. It's a big slide. Booze, that was a fantastic, but he's back to eating. What's up, little baby? Hey, bud. I actually saw them walking up it. They can't get fully up it, but they're gonna get used to it. We're building like the craziest thing for these goats next video, so be ready for that. Hit the subscribe button so you don't miss out on that. Hey! Well, I had a big rainfall these last couple of days, so back to redoing all the shedding. I haven't had to do it because we haven't had a lot of rain lately. This time of year, I haven't had to do the shavings for months straight. Now we're back to getting to that summertime. We're gonna have to do this a lot more. There you go, Mango. Should I do like a piece in one of my upcoming videos explaining each of the pigs' personality? Would you Cuffaros want to see something like that? Let me know. Look at. Look how many eggs she's sitting on. That's insane. Good girl. Pekins are one of the hardest ducks to breed, or at least hatch. They have eggs left and right. I've never ever had any hatch. Thousands of eggs have been out, never had any hatch. I let it just go naturally, and for some reason they just never hatch. And a lot of iguanas come through from the canal and eat the eggs as well. So there used to be like 30 eggs on that nest, there's only like 10 now. I'm a-coming. Hello, bud. And the cows actually have their own food bin thing now. So it's nice and easy to just scoop them a thing of grain. Although this is not their main diet it's the hay over there that used to be in, let me explain. It wasn't this, I literally just went to the store and bought this. I spent a pretty penny on this, and I bought that for the reason I wanted to keep the hay off the ground completely. Well, I put it in there, ratchet strapped it as a matter of fact, legitimately. And the bull just completely flipped it, took both bales out, ripped the ratchet strap off, and now the hay is on the ground like that. So clearly he doesn't like that. We're just gonna leave it how I've been doing it for the last couple months. At least I could say I tried to do something. I think I got some really cool plans for something right here as well. It's like, I'd say 50-50 right now. We'll get back to that in a couple weeks, but this could be a really cool thing happening right here. I just finished the rest of this path as well. We're gonna do like a cool, nice rock inside here. See how it's just kind of like weeds and dirt. For my landscape viewers out there that like to see the yard kind of get put together, we're doing rocks around that. And maybe like white gravel in all of this. This house is coming together. All right, we're back. It's time to get our substrate in. We need to rinse this off, which you just poke a little bit of holes at the bottom, put a hose on the top, let it rinse through, and then we can put it in. Filling it up, and it should just start pouring out of these holes right here any second. There it goes. Woo, that looks good. White bottom now. Hopefully it stays white for long, because you know typically like I mentioned with the water, I'm gonna just give it a try. It won't get too bad. We got all the plants now. We have to rinse these off as well, and then after we rinse them off, we put them in. These are gonna be super cool right here. Those. Look at that. Some more right there too. The white bottom with the green plants is just beautiful. Go rinse this off as well. You want to rinse everything pretty much. We'll put these in the back corner there. I think these will go in this corner. And then the big one's right in the middle. Right smack in the middle of the back. And as simple as that, we have the basic layout of the tank. This ring I'm gonna scrub off real quick. But it's time, ready to go, ready to fill up the tank. Unboxed. Satisfying. Oh yeah. Inside, our cartridges are all bagged up. We gotta unbag those and put them right back in where they were. This is really cool too. This actually sits like that. These two little filter pads actually slip in like so. So the water gets pumped up through here, through there, has to go through these pads. After going through the pads, we'll then fill up and actually overflow through these and have to go through these again and then it come out. Put that on right there. This should extend as long as you need it. I don't know how far it goes, but probably keep it about like right there. This sucks up the water and then does that whole cycle. All right, there she is. Everything's good to go. Could probably rinse the cartridges out. We'll do that before we start up the filter. We also have to prime it, which means put water in the filter prior to turning it on. But yeah, we'll finish off here right on the GoPro. And we are flowing powerful. Oh yeah. We got the filter going. Now we just let it clear up. We'll give it a couple hours. Maybe I'll pick up the camera tomorrow and this will be crystal clear. You like it?
It's amazing. I actually really love it. I love the white and the green and
the white and the green. It's very simple.
I like it. 10 out of 10.
Thank you.
Only for my golf.
Looks good though. It's cleaned up. It's cleared up. I just need to like straighten these up and then shake all the little rock out of those plants. Light on. Listen, buddy, I don't think I'm gonna put you in the tank today, okay? It's a little early. I think we still got another couple days. One of my next videos. We'll slip them on in here. This is the tank now, although it doesn't have a light, so you can't exactly see how clear it got much clearer. It's honestly not as clear as it needs to be just quite yet. It's going to get much more clear, as you know, like crystal clear. I just want to thank all of you for watching up to this moment. I know the video is kind of crazy. We got koi fish, we cast netted bait, fed the fish, went to Tulum, Mexico, and we also got this tank set up and surprised my girlfriend, slightly surprised my girlfriend. I think the real surprise will be like when we get a fish for this. So comment some cool fish that we can get down below. Comment some cool fish, and if I get the fish you commented, I'll make sure to pop your comment up on the screen when we do that video. Also, smash the like button if this video hits 25,000 likes. The moment it hits 25,000, we'll go get those fish. Taylor's unfortunately working again. She works a lot. I added some more sealed stuff to the site as well. Look at all this stuff. I mean, we just have so much. Check these mystery balls out right here. Pop this sucker open. Coin, cards, and look at that. This is a vintage pack right here. These are worth like 350 bucks. Y'all loved the mystery stuff last time, so I added a bunch of the new mystery balls and other mystery stuff as well. Lots of sealed stuff and much more. I haven't even taken the site down to replenish it at all, so technically this is still the third drop in the final drop. So go get this stuff while you can. I'm sure I'll be promoting until this is all gone as well. Love you so much, and yeah. New tank in the office. Can I just give you a rundown what the office looks like now, comparison to what it looked like even like 3 weeks ago? We have our saltwater aquarium, which y'all know this is the bomb. Our flower horn aquarium. Keep in mind none of these tanks are cleaned right now. I feel like this one's, the algae's insane. I gotta redo the substrate. I've been saying that for a little bit now. I know. But yeah, the flower horns are healthy and that's all that matters. The flower horn tank. Our African cichlid tank, which I don't know why the lights are off, but they are. These suckers are beautiful. The new goldfish tank and the axolotl / goldfish for now tank. Enough rambling for today. I love y'all so much. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out! That peace out was a little, that was different.